Welcome friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today I will tell you that how you can make your simple dupatta fancy or formal looking. Friend, as you see, there are only two ingredients which are required. If you want to do some mirror work, you can buy mirrors, and if you want to do some diamonds work or any other thing, you can buy it from the shop. This is a silicone glue and it's very effective. It works like a glue gun. As glue gun, if you don't have any glue gun, you can use this silicone gel as well. It also helps to attach things with the cloth or fabric very easily. So friends, this is a net dupatta, so just follow the steps, and it's a very easy way to make your dupatta fancy if you want to. So I will tell you a very easy way that how you can make it fancy. You have to first imagine that where you want to, what type of dupatta you want, and where you want to attach these diamonds or mirrors. So this is very easy way that how you can do this. Just apply a little bit of glue on the mirror. Keep it for a few seconds. Now friends, I will do the same thing on the back side of the mirror, as there are some images of the backward work, so it will be very easy to do this very smoothly and perfectly. Now just open the full dupatta, and you have to place these mirrors between the four mirrors like this. Here I'm gonna do this. Like if you have a plain shirt and you don't know how to make it more fancy, you can just make your dupatta fancy or good looking, so it will enhance your shirt, simple shirt. Thank you friends. My dupatta is all ready, and you have to keep this dupatta for at least one day, and you can do any of the designing of your own. You can get the ideas from the Pinterest, because there are so many different ideas, and I told you a very easy way to attach the diamonds or mirror or anything, whatever you want to apply or attach with your dupatta or on your shirt. You can do this work with a silicone glue. Friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please like the hit button and share it with your friends, family. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.